Hello, Professor. My name is Li Xinhai, and today I will present my disease, Analysis of Commercial Value of AI Deep Search Functionality, a case study of Quark browsers. First, research background. Global AI search market is growing rapidly. According to Comprehend Market Insights, the market is expected to grow from $43.63 billion in 2025 to $108.88 billion in 2032, with a CAGR of 40%. From a business perspective, major platforms such as Google, Bing, and Baidu have already deployed base AI search features, and base AI search is becoming common. However, deep AI search is still rare and remains largely unexplored. From an academic perspective, currently study mainly focus on technology and marketing. On technology, research on RAG increased sharply from 2022 to 2024. On marketing, topics such as GEO are emerging. However, there is still a lack of systematic research on the user value and the business value of AI search itself. Deep AI search is especially relevant because it targets complex decision-making scenarios where users' needs are growth. Base AI search usually uses a single retrieval, quick answer model from simple square. Deep AI search uses a think first, then retrieval, multi-round process of complex, open-end, and specialized problems. For example, when users ask with a budget of 200,000 RMB, which new energy vehicle should I buy? Deep AI search can compare multiple dimensions and provide a more comprehensive recommendation. Research objective and research question. The core objective of this study is to evaluate whether Quark's deep AI search features can create business value from the company, and to build a search features can create business value for the company, and to build a systematic and measurement value assessment framework. Drawing on Articles 2022, business value should not be judged by a single indicator. Therefore, this study adopts three measurable dimensions: market performance, user perception, and product utility. Based on these three dimensions, the study develops three research questions. RQ1, does the launch of deep AI search significantly improve marketing performance? Indicators include App Store ranking, Baidu Index, and Google Trends. RQ2, does deep AI search receive positive user perception? The indicator is sentiment tendency in Apple Store user reviewed. RQ3, does deep AI search significantly enhance product utility? This is measured through a control experience using three indicators: search efficiency, answer quality, and user satisfaction. Research series. To keep the three-dimension assessment, this study introduced four theoretical foundations: the IPS information search process model, task complexity theory, the information quality framework, and expectation confirmation theory. ISP mainly relate to product utility and focus on whether deep AI search make the research process smoother and less effortful. Task complexity series also relates to product utility and tests whether deep AI search provides stronger support under complex tests. The information quality framework focuses on output quality, such as whether answers are more useful and reliable. ECT relies to users' perception and experience satisfaction through the compression between actual experience and the priori expectations. For market performance, this study used objective outcome indicators, so no specific supporting theory is applied there. Research hypothesis and research framework. This study touched search model as the independent variable and compares deep AI search various base AI search in complex search tasks. Product utility is quantified into three outcome variables: search efficiency, result quality, and user satisfaction. Based on this framework, these three groups of hypotheses are prospered. H1, deep AI search has higher search efficiency, including shorter completion time and higher perceived efficiency. H2, deep AI search has higher perceived result quality, including accuracies, completeness, relevance, and credibility. A3. Deep AI search leads to higher user satisfaction, including overall satisfaction and inspection confirmation. Results: marketing performance. For market performance, the results are mixed. On the App Store app's free overall chart, the average ranking declined after launch from 9.61 to 8.18, and the difference was significant, p 0.002. This indicates the launch did not produce a bold improvement on the overall chart. On the App Store Utilities free category chart, ranking improved from 1.81 to 1.56, also significance, p 0.002. This suggests deep AI search may have a advantage in tool-oriented contexts. On Android platforms, Xiaomi shows slight improvements with measurable significance, while Huawei shows a significant improvements. In terms of search popularity, Google Trends and Baidu Index shows no significant difference between and after launch. Overall, common evidence in insufficiency to support the statement that deep AI search significantly improve overall market performance in the short term. It makes value may be more visible and in specific categories or user contexts. Results: user perception. For user perception, overall sentiment scores were low around 0.35, and the change only slightly before and after launch, indicating no clear improvement. Negative reviews consistently dominated, remaining about 16% after launch. Positive reviews decreased, while neutral reviews increased slightly, which may reflect a more wait-and-see attitude toward the new feature. It should be noted that the sample size is limited, and a small change in cons can affect percentage. Therefore, these conclusions should be validated with large dataset and longer observation periods. Results: product utility. For product utility, a control experiment was conducted with 43 participants. The sample was mainly young, relatively well-educated, and included many frequent search users, which matched the potential target group of deep search. Unlinked items on the 7-point scale were used to measure comparative advantage. The item means range for 5.16 to 5.63, clear above midpoint of 4, indicating positive evaluation at the descriptive level. More importantly, one sample test showed all means were significantly higher than 4. This provides the statistical evidence that participants relate deep AI search significantly better than base AI search in efficiency, result quality, and satisfaction, especially in process smoothness and information completeness. Conclusion: overall, the results suggest that deep AI search has clear strategies in product utility, but its short-term contributions to market performance and the user's perception appear limited. For RQ1, the impact of market performance is inconsistent. Improvement appear in tool-oriented categories, but not on the overall chart, and the external search interesting indicators did not change significance. For RQ2, sentiment remains predominantly negative, and short-term evidence for reputation improvement is limited. For RQ3, experimental results strongly support the deep AI search improves period efficiency, answer quality, and satisfaction in complex tests. Therefore, deep AI search shows commercial potential, but short-term business returns may not yet be significant and may require time to materialize. That's all. Thank you.